a healthier you. Welcome to this meditation, and thank you for being here. You can practice this meditation at any time or place. Just make sure you don't listen to it while you're driving. Sit or lie down comfortably in a quiet place, where you know you won't be interrupted, and where you feel safe and calm. This meditation is specially designed to be done right before you fall asleep. Keep your back straight, either sitting or lying down, not too soft, not too rigid. The energy needs to be able to flow freely along the spine. Close your eyes softly. Start calming down your breathing to a pace that feels relaxing and pleasant. Focus on your breathing now. Take a deep and cleansing breath in through the nose. Allow the air to reach every part of your body, every single cell. On the exhalation, make an attempt to release all the tension you might have accumulated during the day. Exhale slowly and feel the relief. On your next inhale, give your body permission to relax completely. Say to yourself, it's safe to relax. On the exhale, let go of all the tension. Scan your body in detail, starting with your feet. Notice how they are feeling. Observe them energetically. Visualize a bright healing light, first on one foot, then the other one. This light offers protection and healing energy. Your feet feel completely renewed and energized. Let the light move up along your legs, bringing energy and healing to the bones and the muscles in your legs. Notice how they feel rejuvenated and entirely relaxed. Allow the light to reach your lower abdominal area and the base of your spine. Picture it spreading light and energy, making that area feel alive and vibrant. The light keeps moving up and energizes the upper abdominal area, healing the organs and unblocking the pathways for the energy to flow easily. The next spot that receives the energy is your chest. The light spreads to your throat, your lungs, and especially your heart. All of your organs feel supercharged and relaxed. Next, as the light moves along both of your arms, notice how it reaches every cell and your arms feel loved and nourished. Finally, the light moves to the top of your head, activating your brain and all your senses. your whole body received healing and love, and as a result, your system is ready to perform at its best. At the same time, it is fully relaxed, so it's able to get all the benefits from this meditation and the resting time afterwards. Your mind, your heart, and your body are ready to cooperate to begin a fascinating journey towards a healthier experience. Start by acknowledging the marvelous work that your physical body does every second of your life. Your body allows you to have this human experience. It's your vehicle to move around in this reality. It does its best with the fuel that you provide and the maintenance available. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out gratitude. With this process, you are establishing a communication system between you and your body. You show it how much you appreciate its wonderful performance. And in return for this, you make a commitment to listen and provide what it needs to get stronger and healthier. Visualize a contract that you are signing. You see your name clearly written on it. This contract contains a promise that you make to your body. The promise to try your best to take good care of it. Be responsible for it. Respect it. And the first and most important clause, unconditional love and acceptance. You're feeling excited and motivated about this commitment. It's something that you've been wanting to do for a long time. Take a deep and slow breath in while you say to yourself, I'm here for you. I will do my best to protect you. Thank you for staying strong and healthy. Breathe out. There is one more thing to do, and that is to provide your subconscious mind a set of supporting beliefs in order to make it easier for your whole being to fulfill your promises. Imagine entering your subconscious mind. You are ready to do a deep cleanup. Picture a room in which you see many bookshelves, a desk, and a big window. At the moment, the room looks very dark. When you put on the light, it looks like no one has been here in a long while. There are pieces of paper all over the place. The curtains are closed, so no natural light is coming in. The first thing you decide to do is to open up the curtains and open the window. Already so much better. You start picking up the sheets of paper and organizing them in folders. Each folder contains beliefs about a specific area of your life. You find folders with labels that say work, family, the world, friends, love relationships, fun, money, health, and much more. You take the one that says health and start looking at your subconscious beliefs around this topic. Some catch your attention. Having a good health is too difficult. Eating healthier is boring. I'm not able to improve my health. Taking care of my nutrition takes too much effort. There's nothing I can do to make this better. Keep going through the folder and notice all of the beliefs. Take a few seconds to choose one of your beliefs around health to work with today. Allow your mind to keep searching even after you're done with this meditation. For now, finish the following sentence about you and your health. Just be open to whatever comes to your mind. My health is... It may be that you come up with many different beliefs. Don't worry, there's no need to do them all at once. You can listen to this meditation as often as you like. Focus on one or two beliefs. And what if you can't think of any? Also not a problem. Choose one from the list I mentioned. With practice, you'll find that identifying your limiting beliefs gets easier and easier. When you choose a limiting belief, throw it right in the garbage can. Are you determined to let go of the beliefs that no longer serve you? Feel that determination. Then, take a blank piece of paper and write new supporting beliefs to put in your folder and replace the one that you are getting rid of. Write them in big, colorful letters. Some examples are: my body is strong and healthy. I am worthy of good health. Taking care of myself is easy and fun. I love and accept myself completely. When you're done, read them out loud and trust that once you file those folders, these beliefs will be part of your subconscious. Take a final look at the room. Folders are well organized on the bookshelves. The room has great natural light, and the place looks quite comfy. You've done a great job. Take a deep breath in and out, and feel the satisfaction. Now you are ready to start your journey to a healthier you.